Good afternoon. My name is Christopher Samut-Nurminen, and I'll be presenting SocialNet, a tool implemented and developed for the MSc dissertation. This is part 1 of 2 of the series, where I will present the high-level approach taken to design, develop, and implement SocialNet, as well as show you how to use the SocialNet application. In a social network, we have a number of individuals. In this project, we will be focusing on the individuals themselves and attempt to extract a social network graph of that individual, as well as perform some kind of social analysis using the information extracted from that graph. A social network of an individual is based upon 2 key components, that is, identity and relationships. The identity of the individual can be further broken down into general profile, which is generally keyword data extracted from a number of sources, such as the address books available using an email service, or from account profiles when signing up for an instant messaging service. The social profile is another component of identity which is different to the general profile in the sense that it is the information extracted from analyzing the relationships of an individual. For example, we can determine whether an individual is more sociable in certain seasons, or whether an individual has stronger relationships with people of the opposite sex, or whether an individual makes new friends often. The other important component to a social network is the relationships, which are the links between the nodes in the network, that is, the individuals in the social network. These links are the online relationships established through online interactions. For example, through email, through instant messaging, through blogging, even tagging of photos. There exists an infinite amount of information that can be extracted in order to help determine the relationship strength of each individual. In the SocialNet project, we'll be looking at email and instant messaging as the online interactions, and can safely say that these online interactions are based on some kind of messages exchanged, that is, the conversations that take place between the individuals. Data such as the size of the conversation, duration of a conversation, even the response time, all play an important role in determining the relationship strength of an individual. Using this information, we can extract the social network of an individual and perform some kind of social analysis. Thank you very much.